If you want to learn how to erase in Krita, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to erase inside Krita, so you can choose whichever method feels faster and more natural for your workflow. We'll cover the quick toggle shortcut that turns your current brush into an eraser, and we'll also look at how to choose a dedicated eraser preset for more control. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita tips and drawing tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. The first method is the fastest one, and it's great when you already have a brush selected and just want to erase with the same shape and texture. This is called erase mode. To start, select any brush tool in Krita. It can be your regular drawing brush, your pen brush, or any preset you like. Once your brush is active, simply press E on your keyboard. That instantly toggles erase mode on. Now, when you paint over your canvas, instead of adding color, Krita will erase the pixels underneath. This is especially useful if you want your erasing to match the exact feel of the brush you were already using. For example, if you're drawing with a textured brush and want to clean up the edges without switching tools, this shortcut saves time. You can erase small mistakes, refine shapes, or remove parts of your sketch while keeping the same brush texture. And when you want to go back to normal drawing, just press E again. That switches you out of erase mode and back into standard brush mode right away. So one key turns it on and the same key turns it off. Simple and fast. Now let's move to the second method, which is using a dedicated eraser preset. This is better if you want a separate eraser with a specific shape, softness, or edge style. To do this, press F6 on your keyboard to open the brush presets panel. In the search bar at the bottom of the panel, type eraser. Krita will show you all the eraser related brush presets available. From there, you can choose the one that fits your needs best. If you want sharp, clean cuts, a preset like eraser_circle can work really well. If you want smoother, more gradual fading, eraser_soft is a great option. Once you select one of these presets, that eraser becomes your active brush. Then you can simply paint on the canvas to remove the parts you don't want. This method is useful when you want a more controlled erasing style, especially if you're doing detailed cleanup work or soft blending around edges. A quick tip: if you do a lot of drawing in Krita, it's worth getting comfortable with both methods. The E shortcut is perfect for fast edits and sketch cleanup, while the eraser presets are better when you want consistency and more control. In many cases, artists switch between the two depending on the task. For rough cleanup, the shortcut is great. For polished finishing work, the dedicated eraser can be better. Also, if something doesn't seem to erase the way you expect, double check that you're actually using a brush that supports erase mode and make sure you're painting on the correct layer. Sometimes the issue isn't the eraser at all. It's just that the wrong layer is selected or a layer is locked. Keeping an eye on your layers will save you a lot of confusion while editing. So, to quickly recap, if you want the fastest way to erase in Krita, select a brush and press E to toggle erase mode. If you want a separate eraser tool, press F6, search for eraser, and choose a preset like eraser_circle or eraser_soft. Both methods are easy, and both can help you clean up your artwork much faster. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Krita tutorials, digital art tips, and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.